Why is it that, when counting down from 5, you can reach 0, and then keep counting down into the negatives? How do negative numbers work? And why do we need them in the real world? To start, we need to understand what negative numbers actually are. Negative numbers are numbers lower than 0, and, like the positive numbers, they count up as they move further away from 0. For example, a number line counting from 5 would be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and so on. But while you can have 3 apples, you can't have -3 apples. So why and how are they used? It turns out there are a few different ways. First, negative numbers can be used to describe statistics where 0 is not the lowest amount possible. Let me give you an example. When describing height above sea level, things on land would have a positive value, as they are above water. However, things in the sea or below sea level would have a negative value. It's the same with floors in a building. The ground floor is considered 0, and anything below ground is assigned a negative floor number. Negative numbers are also used to show subtraction. This equation, 4 minus 3, can be seen as a 4, a 3, and an operation in between. However, this equation is also comprised of a 4 and a -3, and so by combining these terms you get the answer of 1. That may sound overcomplicated, but it's the same idea as losing points in quizzes or games. You may get -2 points for cheating, for example. But there's one more way for negative numbers to be useful that is perhaps less known than the others. Let's say I have 2 apples, and you have 5 apples. If we make your amount of apples 5, the equivalent of 0, my number of apples becomes -3. Therefore I would have -3 apples relative to you. Basically, we can move the baseline 0 to your 5 apples to compare things to it. It's like resetting the starting line in a race. Anything behind that line becomes negative, not because it's less than 0, but because it's less than the new reference point. Using this new reference point, it's easier to see that I have 3 apples less than you, but no longer tells us how many apples we truly have. So, while you can't have -3 apples in your fruit bowl, remember that negative numbers have uses in the real world that might not be obvious at first. See where you can spot instances of things less than 0 in the world around you, and leave a comment if you have any more examples you've come up with. Leave a like if you've enjoyed this video, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.